Salesforce administrators are the backbone of many orgs, keeping everything clean, functional, and user-friendly. Everyone knows that, right? However, the role might be coming under threat due to increasingly sophisticated artificial intelligence tools, which can perform basic admin tasks after being given simple prompts in natural language. How much of a threat could this really be? Let's find out. Prompts, not clicks. The creator of ChatGPT, OpenAI, recently unveiled its operator agent, which can use its own browser to perform tasks. OpenAI said on January 23rd that the product, which is one of the company's first agents, was a research preview, meaning it was limited and would evolve depending on the user feedback. The company said, Operator can be asked to handle a wide variety of repetitive browser tasks, such as filling out forms, ordering groceries, and even creating memes. The ability to use the same interfaces and tools that humans interact with on a daily basis broadens the utility of AI, helping people save time on everyday tasks while opening up new engagement opportunities for businesses. OpenAI said that it would be made available to ChatGPT Pro users in the United States at operator.chatgpt.com, but they plan to expand its use to Plus, Team, and Enterprise users and integrate the capabilities into ChatGPT in the future. A bad time to get your admin cert? While the makers of AI like to talk about how revolutionary their products are, they are often quick to reassure would-be adopters that humans will always be in the loop, essentially checking the robot's work. This might mean that senior developers and administrators can rest assured, for now, that there will need to be a steady hand at the wheel overseeing the work that the AI produces. But those looking to get into the Salesforce ecosystem at the moment might be a little more nervous as AI becomes sophisticated enough to perform basic, repetitive tasks, the kind that junior team members are typically trusted to carry out. Igor Kudryk, founder of Learn Apex, posted a demonstration of Operator for his 26,000 LinkedIn followers, telling the AI to perform simple, routine admin tasks. This included creating a custom object, creating a tab for it, and creating a few dummy records, all of which were completed. During the demo, Igor asked the agent to create a custom object in Salesforce, which it handled easily enough. Igor said, "This is for the people who say that the developer is going to be automated first. No, look at this. This is way easier than automating a developer." He then asked it to create a tab for the custom object, which it completed, but the AI became stuck in a loop, leading Igor to say, that's where the problem lay. It's not even anywhere near automating anything or anyone. OpenAI stresses that Operator is currently in an early research preview, meaning that it's already capable of handling a wide range of tasks, but it's still learning and may make mistakes. It may also be the case that Operator has likely not seen many web pages before, so it could improve as it becomes more experienced as more people use it, providing better feedback. The tech company says that it currently faces challenges with complex interfaces like creating slideshows or managing calendars. The company said, early user feedback will play a vital role in enhancing its accuracy, reliability, and safety, helping us make Operator better for everyone. What should a Salesforce admin be doing all day? Founder and CEO of Groundwork Apps, Paul Batterson, said that some basic tasks that a junior admin might do, like creating a field or an invoice, can be done by an AI, but jobs like this are only 1% of the job. An important part of the admin job is interacting with other humans, understanding what it really is they want, and then collaborating to achieve that goal, not simply following rote instructions, he added. Paul told Salesforce Ben, every time I've sat down with a customer to build a report, it's been a collaboration. It's been me going, what do you think of this report? And then going, okay, what I want to see is this. And then we go backwards and forwards on it, because it's a visual thing. You can see change. He said that he can always see AI taking away some tasks, but if your job as a junior admin is just creating fields and objects all day, then there are some bigger issues to address anyway. Speaking of bigger issues to address, you might not be utilizing the best of Salesforce's features when you really should. Well, good news, you can now with our sponsor, Salesforce Foundations. Salesforce Foundations gives you access to more of Salesforce and it's now easier than ever as you can get started with the connected Customer 360 by building their foundational apps into your CRM at no additional cost. Yes, that's right, for free. Get access to sales deal management, service case resolution tools, marketing email campaigns, commerce storefront, and more. And if you want more info or need more convincing, check out the demo at www.salesforceben.com/foundations. You'll find this in the description. Admin tasks becoming obsolete. Founder of Salesforce Break, Andy Engin Utkan, thinks that jobs for admins, developers, and consultants are not going to be the same in the next 2 years and is going to change completely. He said, "One thing that's for sure is that easy clicks are going to go away or are going to be handed down to AI. That's fine, but does that really mean the admin job is going away?" Andy added that there is a spectrum of attitudes and personalities, essentially boiling down to the optimist and the pessimist. He said that if they're a pessimist, they think their job is going to go away tomorrow, and then they're going into this kind of attitude where they don't really want to learn anything. An optimist, on the other hand, will be looking to upskill and find ways to make AI work for them. Salesforce MVP Hall of Famer and independent consultant Louise Lockey told Salesforce Ben that there is some expectation that people will be able to reduce headcount through the use of AI tools. She added that, "My thoughts around admins in particular is that the low-hanging fruit will definitely be automated. Part of the admin's job is to automate as much as possible, and this falls into that, certainly. And admin is such a general name for people of all different levels doing all sorts of different things." Louise also said that there is definitely going to be a threat to some admin responsibilities, but at a business where there is one sole admin, that job can't realistically be at risk because the entirety of the role cannot be taken over. She said, "So my advice to admins would be, don't say, I spend all my days supporting sales and creating the reports and extracting their commissions, putting that into a spreadsheet and then sending it around. Because those tasks will be obsolete, I'm sure of it." It seems that AI tools are not yet in a position to replace Salesforce admins, apart from performing the most basic entry-level tasks. Good news, right? Yes, but as these tools become better, cheaper, and more readily available, it will likely be bad news for someone looking to break into their first role as an administrator. What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comment section below.